This is my fucking 4th time fixing this shit. Maybe like 3rd. Well, anyways, welcome back to a video. We got a little install we gotta do for the Subi. It's time, you know, and shit. But first, I gotta fucking fix this shit, and then we'll get to it. Let me do that. It's rubbing a little bit. I'm gonna try to pull it out. We'll do some shit about it, and then we'll get back at it, you know. But don't mind me, because I barely got out of work and shit, so a little cloudy. But yeah, let me do this shit first, and then I'll get back to you guys so we can install that shit. I'm excited, low key. Been waiting for this moment for a fat minute. You already know what it is. Cobb accessport. This is the V3. I'm about to use this, so like I only had it for like, it's unmarried too, so we should be good. But he only had it for like a month or two, I think, or a couple months. I can't really remember. But yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, a little splash right there, but it doesn't need clean and all. Other than that, yeah, you do this and then see how I'm gonna wire it, because I don't know. Like, I low-key saw the one where it goes right here, but then I saw they have different mounts for them, and then it has to go right here, whatever, windows and shit. Not right here. Like, I thought about it. Oh shit, it's already magnetic. What the fuck? I mean, I'm probably gonna keep it right there as for right now, since that's the only thing I have. It doesn't come with no mounts and shit. And yeah, it came with this, and then the one you plug into your computer or whatever, and then another case of black one. But I'm gonna keep that one because I'm gonna put it on the black, because it's usually like all blacked out, which I can see. But yeah, that's tight. I didn't even know that, honestly. I'll probably keep it there, see how I'm gonna run this shit, and then I'll get back to you guys here in a bit. So what I'm gonna do as of right now, since I said I don't know what location I'm gonna be putting it, over there or over here or wherever, but I'm gonna keep it right there. So what I did, I'm gonna zip tie everything underneath, so you won't be able to see it, won't get in my way and all. But I ran it through here. I'm gonna tuck it very good, but make sure I ran it through here underneath, came across, make sure it doesn't hit nothing, and then over, and then make sure it comes out all up here and shit. And then, you know, I just let it plug in right there as of right now. But yeah, I mean, we got it all turned on and everything right now. Let me see what we can do. Press okay. Yeah, it is unmarried and shit, so let's see what we can do about this. And see if it works or not, and then set it on position. Let me do that. Turn off the fucking shit. Please confirm the vehicle is a 2015. Yes. Let's see what family you choose, I guess. Stage 1. So I got it. There was 2 stages. There's 2 stage zeros, so I just chose the first one though, to play it safe and all, because I don't really fucking understand this low key and shit. But yeah, I chose that one. Like, it's basically nothing. Like, there's nothing done to that map with and shit. So what I just chose that until, like, you know, I started adding more shit and this and that, and then, you know, go stage 1 and shit, whatever. As of right now, I mean, yeah, it's going pretty good and shit. Nothing funky happening with the car or anything and shit like that. But yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens ahorita once everything goes and shit. I'll get back to you guys here in a bit. This is the 3rd time it reflashes and shit. So turn off the vehicle this time though, but and now it says please turn off, please turn the ignition on, position. And then press OK. Start to successful. Please turn the gear off, and then position for at least 50 seconds before starting the vehicle. Okay. It's been like 50 seconds already. That popped up now. Start this whole. Oh. now is that you can add all the gauges and shit, whatever you want and shit. Here it is and shit. I mean, it's pretty good now. What I was saying is like, you can change the little what you wanted to read and shit, you know. As of right now, I'm gonna figure that out because I want some other shit on here. I'm gonna probably keep intake tips. I'll probably keep it there. No, I'll probably keep the oil temp there, and then intake. I don't know. We'll see what the fuck I do with it. But let me see. Let me figure this shit out. I'm gonna keep my AFRs on there for sure. But let me see what I can do. I got it on. This is the ones I chose as of right now. Like really the ones like top of my head. But obviously, like once it's tuned in on, obviously my tuner and shit is probably gonna let me know what the fuck I need or what this and that, or like which is he recommends to keep an eye out of and shit. But yeah, I got my AFRs and shit, my boost, the fuel pressure, the oil temp, and then you know the fine knock and then feedback knock and shit. But as of right now, yeah, I'm gonna keep that. You know, but yeah, this is literally gonna be it of this whole video and shit. I got plans maybe with my family and shit. I'm gonna go downtown, see what's popping down there. But if I go, I'll probably record some shit and then put it in this clip or not. But we'll see what happens, cause literally like change my mind every single time. But yeah, thank you all for watching. If this is the end, but if not, then I'll see you guys later.